we'll guide you through how to use the adjustment clip in Davinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Davinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. Look for the effects library on the top left of your screen. Once there, scroll down and find the Adjustment clip located under the Toolbox section. Click on it and drag it onto your timeline above the video clips you want to affect. This clip acts like a transparent layer that you can apply effects to, which then influences all the clips beneath it. With the adjustment clip selected, go to the Inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can add and modify various effects like color adjustments, blurs, or any other transformations you desire. This is especially useful for creating consistent looks across multiple clips without having to apply the same effect individually to each one. You can also stretch or shrink the adjustment clip to cover different portions of your timeline as needed. To fine-tune the effects, you can use the color page where you can perform advanced color grading on the adjustment clip itself, ensuring that all underlying clips are uniformly affected. Another great feature is that if you want to try different effects or settings, you can simply duplicate the adjustment clip and modify the duplicate, allowing you to compare different looks quickly. Adjustment clips are a powerful tool for enhancing your workflow and maintaining consistent visual styles across your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.